In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Internet Explorer back on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Even though Microsoft has officially retired Internet Explorer and replaced it with Microsoft Edge, there are still times when you might need it. Some older websites, web apps, or internal company tools only work properly in Internet Explorer. The good news is, you can still access Internet Explorer functionality using features built into Microsoft Edge. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to open those older sites just like you used to. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking the Start button, typing Edge into the search bar, and selecting Microsoft Edge from the results. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, which open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click on the section called Default Browser. This is where Microsoft has hidden the compatibility options that replace Internet Explorer. In this section, look for the setting labeled Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer Mode. By default, this is usually set to Default or Don't Allow. Open the drop-down menu and change it to Allow. When you do this, Edge may ask you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. Go ahead and close Edge completely, then open it again the same way as before. Now that Internet Explorer mode is enabled, go to the website you want to open as if you were browsing normally in Edge. Once the page loads, click the three dots in the top right corner again. This time, look for the option that says Reload in Internet Explorer mode. Click it, and the page will refresh. You'll notice a small Internet Explorer icon appear on the left side of the address bar, indicating that the site is now running in IE mode. If this is a site you use often, and it only works properly in Internet Explorer, you can tell Edge to always open it this way. When you're in IE mode on that site, look for a small toggle or option that says something like, Open this page in Internet Explorer mode next time. Turn that on, then confirm. From now on, whenever you visit that address in Edge, it will automatically switch to Internet Explorer mode. And that's it. You've effectively brought Internet Explorer back to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 device using Edge's built-in compatibility mode, without needing to install anything extra.